So I will share the screen. So all of you getting the screen?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Sir.
Okay. So what we need to do? We need to go to start, mechanical design and part design. Okay. So just give okay. So now we will enter into part design mode. Got it. So now, so in the last session we have learned some of the options. So major tools we have learned. Okay. So next we'll see the dresser feature. See here we are not getting any feature. So dresser, see sketch based feature means so based on the sketch we have to use this. Dress up means so whatever we have created the sketch based feature for that if we want to make some modifications, if you want to make some fillets, something like that, we can do it by using dress up features. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, in this also I'm going to show you one by important features. So first what I will do, I will create one part. So I will select the top plane and I will go to sketch. So here, so select this. So from I'm just going to create this and I will create a part here. Okay, fine. So here, see now we are getting everything here. Now everything is highlighting. So where we'll get this? See, this is the sketch dress up features, right? So if you want to get a shortcut here, so here you just take it. Yeah, no. So for that, what we have to do? Right click on this. You just check on the surface. Sorry, dress up features. Where is that? Yeah, here we have the dress up features. Okay. So in this first we'll see fillet, edge fillet. So in fillets we have different types. Okay. So in that first, so in this first is so you just click this drop down menu, you will get the types of fillets here. So here first is edge fillet. So if you select this, so once you select this, you need to select the edge. See here, we select if you give the radius, I will give around 15. So it will add the fillet. You can check the preview here. See here. See, this is the fillet. Again, once again, I will show you. So go to fillet. So select this. You can select n number of edges here. Okay. Now you can give a radius and give OK. See here. This is how you can create fillets. Okay. Any doubts? Fine.
No, sir.
No.
Good. Next. So next we have a very important that is variable radius fillet. So we can vary the fillets. See here, what I will do, I will just select the edge. Then you can give the radius of 10. Okay. So after that, see in this point you have given 5. Suppose from here to here, if you want to vary from, see here I have given 10. Again, if you want to vary, see you just select this point icon. Then select this. See here, select this. 2 times you need to select. Then you give radius as 30. I will give. See here, you can observe here we have given 30 and give OK. See here you can vary the radius. Got it? So
Yes.
next, suppose if you want to vary at the middle. So what you have to do, you need to create a point here. So how to create a point? You have a point option here in the reference element. So here you will get insert in sketcher. 1 minute. You will get, so only shortcut you will get. See here reference elements. If you won't find this, just right click here. You just select the reference elements here. See, you will get it. So select it. select the edge. See here, point is creating, right? So wherever you click, the point will create. Suppose if you want to give distance, see green color is reference. You can give the distance from with respect to this green point. See here, you can give the length, or else you can give the distance along the ratio. You just check on this. If you want to create exactly at the center, you just give 0.5. It will create exactly at the center. See, okay. So now go to fillet, variable fillet, select the edge. So we have given here, I will give as 10. Then click on this point icon, select this point. So suppose here, if you want to give 30, you can give. Again, click on this point, select this point 2 times. Okay. Here, what I will do, I will give 10. Say, if you give OK, you will get like this. All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So next we have cordon fillet. Cordon fillet. So it is similar to fillets only, but in fillet, what you will give? You will give the radius, right? Here you can give the cordon length. If you select this, suppose if you give cordon length as 30, so you just observe here. So this is the cordon length. The distance between the end point of an fillet is the cordon length. Okay, got it? Fine. Okay. See, like this. Cordon length is the what it say. I will show you. So if you just double click this, if you keep this in front view, so this is the cordon length from here to here. Okay, fine. So next we have. So next we have face fillet. It is similar to these fillets only. Instead of selecting the edge, you need to select two faces, and you need to give radius. So suppose if you give 15, it will take. Okay, fine. So next we have tritangent fillet. So in tritangent fillet, faces to fillet. Okay, this has to be fillet. This has to be fillet. Okay, so here then face to fillet, select this. So whatever the distance between these two is, it will take it as a radius. See here. All of you got it about fillet. Any
Sir, yes, sir.
doubts?
Sir, in this first and third are similar, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in fillet first and third, yes, sir.
First and third both are similar, but here you will give radius. In this caudal fillet, you will give caudal length. Okay, this distance between two arc.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is how we can do fillet. Wait for a while. Okay. Fine. So next, I will just close this. So here we have chamfer. See here. Select this. If you select that, you will get a chamfer. I will give a length as 30. So you will get a chamfer like this. See this. So this is called chamfer. So length and angle. This is the total length and the angle. If you want to give length 1 and length 2, you can give. So length 1 I have given 30. Length 2 I will give it as 10. See, you just check it. I will give it as 10. See. Okay. This is the length 1. This is the length 2. Okay. Fine. So next we have draft. Okay. So draft angle only this you just prefer. Okay. You just refer this, select it. So you can incline any surface at some angle. Okay, so I will give as 30 degree. If you give 30 face to draft, I will select this this and this. All the faces I need to make some angle. Okay, so I have given 30 degree, right? Next, neutral element, I will select this plane. With respect to this, it is going to add a draft. You just observe carefully here. See here, you just observe, you will get a draft like this. Okay, got it. So suppose
Repeat,
if you
sir.
want to change the draft, you can select this. See here, sorry. So shall I repeat once again?
Yes, sir. This one.
Okay, so
Yes,
go
sir.
to
Repeat this
draft.
one once again.
Sorry.
One second, sir. One second.
Okay. So here, once you select the draft, you just give draft angle. I will give it as 30. So faces to draft, I will select this. So only two you can select any faces. Okay, then that should be parallel to each other. Then the neutral, this I will select. Okay, if you give okay, you will get.
Mm. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. So next we have shell. So shell already I have explained you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hollow shell.
Okay. Fine. So we can create a halo block. So
Mm.
this is about the dresser features. These are all not required as per your internship program. Okay. So next we have very important transformation features. In this transformation features, so mirror, rectangular and circular pattern. These three are very important. Okay, so this is very important. So if you want to use mirror, rectangular pattern, circular pattern, you have to use boolean operation. So boolean operation you need to use. So how to use that I will tell you, and what is the meaning of that also I will tell you. Okay, so you just be in line. Okay, sorry for interference. So here we'll see how to use boolean operation. If you want to use boolean operation, you have to follow one method. Okay, see here I have created one part, right? Okay, so next if you want to create a hole, or if you want to create any other circular cylinder here, so before creating that cylinder, you need to see, you just be careful while creating it. You need to insert body. Okay, so if you use insert body, say here another separate body will create. If you create any feature here, see here I will show you. So here what I will do, I will create one circular cylinder. So exit. Okay, So here what I will do, I will use pad mirror extend. Okay, see. Okay, so give okay. So here you just observe. So I have created this feature. See, if you go to body 2, so the cylinder is selecting. If you select the part body, only this will select. That means this is different, this is different. Okay, so both are not attached, right? So why I am telling you to do like this, to perform boolean operation. Okay, so here I have used pad, right? That is a material adding feature. If you go to insert, so here if you right click on the body 2, if you want to add this cylinder to this block, you need to perform boolean operation. See, right click on the body 2, so go to body 2 object here. If you assemble it, this material, this cylindrical body will assemble with this block. Okay, getting
Yes, sir.
getting
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, I will just say, you just observe the difference here. You will get the edge difference. So I will just zoom it. So you just observe, right click, body to object. If I assemble it, here the edge will create. See here, see, can you observe?
Yes,
So
sir.
now if I go to part body, entire body is selecting. So the advantage, see why we need to do is, we need to, if you want to create number of features, number of cylinders on a body, you have to use insert body. Okay, I will show you now one of the best example. Suppose, so what I will do, so I will just delete this new body. Okay, again, so I am going to create number of bodies here. Just give insert body again, select this face, and I will go to sketch. Then I will create one cylinder here and exit. So once you exit, so I will give pad. See, I will give pad. I will give mirror extend and give OK. See, so I have assembled it. If you want to remove it, again right click on the body too. If you give remove, so it will remove. All of you are getting. If you assemble it, it will assemble. If you remove it, it will remove. Okay. So I have made undo. So next, so before performing the Boolean operation, you have to use patterns here. See here. So here we have the transformation features. So here I will use this rectangular pattern. So go to insert, Boolean operation, sorry, transformation feature. Here I use pattern. Okay. Okay. So here go to pattern. So here we have instances, and instances and length means number of cylindrical body with total length. So if you select, see, once you select the rectangular pattern, defaultly it will select the current solid. So you just try to understand this. Okay. So once you select the pattern, so which is this current solid? This body 3. Okay, so no need to select separately here. Okay, so this is the body 3. So what you have to do, so suppose, see here you need to give the direction. I will give the this, I will give this direction. This is going in this direction, right? I will make a reverse. See here, the total length 20 I have given. I will give just 100. So from here to here 100, but I want at I will give 150. See, like this. If you want 6 instances, it will create a 6 instances at a distance of 150 mm. That is called instances and length. Next we have instances in spacing. So you can give spacing 30 mm, 6 6 6 each. Spacing will be 30. Okay, next spacing and length means space and total length, and it has been divided into 30. Okay, here no need to give any instances, only thing is you need to give spacing and length. All of you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Next, this is not required, leave it. Okay, so this we have created. Next, here also if you want to create, click on this second direction. Okay, if you click on second direction, here in the reference direction, you just select this direction. See here, if you give total length, see total length I will give around 50. Instances I will give 3. See, you just observe here. So this I will give around 60. See that? How many features I have created? Okay. Now, if you give OK, see here, the number of cylinder bodies has been created. But still, it has not. It is not a single body. See, if you go to part body, only this is the part body. You need to perform Boolean operation. You need to decide. You need to be ensure that whether it should be assembled or it should be removed. If you go to body to right click on the body object, if you remove it, entire thing will remove. See there? All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how you can perform rectangular pattern. So here I have made an undo. Okay. So you can mirror it. So you go to mirror. So once you select a mirror, no need to select the body. You just select the plane. See here, the plane is selecting here. Okay. And just give OK. Next you perform Boolean operation. If you want to remove, you just remove it. Or if you want to add, you can add it. All of you got it?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
You don't have any doubts. So next I will show you one more. That is, see, I will show you the circular pattern. Okay. So select it. So exit and go to pad, and you can give mirror. This I will give 5. Okay. Next I will select the face and I will go to sketch. See, now what I will do, I will create one part here. Okay. See, one part I will give. So I will give mirror extent. Fine. Okay. See now. So here again I did a mistake. So I have not inserted a new body, right? So I will just delete it. Go to insert body. Then I will select the plane and I will create one more time. So here you have to select it and exit. Once you exit, you just select the pad, go to mirror extent. So here and give OK. So now we can perform circular pattern here. Go to circular pattern. So defaultly it will be select the current body. So instances and angular spacing means, suppose to at an angle 90 degree, if you want 3 instances or 4 instances, you can select. But before that you need to select the rotational axis. I will select this as a rotational axis. See here, 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. Okay. Next, if you want to give total angle in instances, so total angle I will give 45. So within this 45, so I will give 90 degree. So in between this 90 degree, equally it will be spaced. So in this, very important is complete cron. See, entire 360 degree. Only thing is you need to give number of instances. Suppose if you give 12, it will get 12 instances. See here. Now you can perform right click, boolean body object, and if you want to add, you can add or you can remove like this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
You can create. See here, you can create blade also using this feature. So here you just observe. So I'll select this exit. So if you go to pad, give the mirror extent. Now if you go to circular pattern, so if you use complete crown, this I will select 12. The rotational axis I will select this. See here. Now you see the magic here. Right click on the body to go to this. If you just remove, you will get a blade like this. All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
This is very, very important.
No,
Sorry, anybody having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is all about this Boolean operation and transformation feature. Only three are very important. Next, suppose if you want to create a hole, then go to sketch here, select this, create a circle, and use pocket. Or else you can create like this and give, see, like this. Any doubts?
No,
No.
sir. No.
Do you have any doubts? So
No,
all
sir.
of you have practiced the last session.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you
Yes,
practiced?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Practice.
So now I will show you one of the example. So I will show you example of isometric drawing. Okay. Wait for a while. I will share you the drawings also.
Yes, sir.
So now you will get. So I will share you some of the practicing examples so that it will be helpful for you to understand how to draw sketches, draw the isometric drawings. See, can you observe this isometric drawings?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So,
I will share this with you. So I will show you one of the example. You just so I will show you this one. So wait. So all of you are getting the screen.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here. I will show you this example. Can you observe this drawing?
yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So else, yes, you can observe, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, I'll just delete this. So this is very important. I will share you the drawings also so that you can practice. Fine. So here, before starting, as I told you, before starting the sketches, you need to read the drawing first. Okay. Until unless if you won't read the drawing, until unless if you won't understand the drawing, it is very difficult to create 3D model. Don't directly open Catia and start drawing. First, you read the drawing. So here, understand the drawing first. Here, you just observe Here we have this plate, and this plate. See, plane selection is very important. Okay. So whatever the method I am showing you, you should not use only that method. Based on your idea, based on your creativity, you can do this. All of you are getting?
Yes, sir.
So first,
Yes,
what
sir,
we will draw
getting.
here? We can draw this 50 by 75, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
which plane should we select?
Bottom.
I will
Right.
select this. Okay. And
Outline.
don't use this normal sketch. Go to this. You just select positioned sketch. So go to position sketch. So I want to position like this, the plane. So if you want to position like this horizontal should be here, vertical should be here, right? What you have to do here, we have swap. So go to swap, the horizontal will become vertical, vertical will become horizontal. Again, I need vertical in this direction. What you have to do? Reverse V. If you give OK, so first you practice whatever I am showing you. Then only you can understand how to select the plane and you will get an idea how to select the plane, how to use positioned sketch. Okay. So here we will draw this. So with respect to origin only you have to do. So here what I will do, I will use, you can select this only. So or else we'll use this centered rectangle, then create it. So select it. So what is the dimension of this? This
25.
50,
75.
50.
then this
25.
75.
75. See like this. So once you create it, you need to check whether it is constrained or not. So it is a constraint, ISO constraint. Then exit. See here. Now you observe the position. If you click on this isometric, the position will be same as whatever we have isometric drawing. Got an idea?
Yes, sir.
Why I have selected position sketch? Why I have positioned it? So go to pad here. So only in one direction I will add the material. In some cases you need to go to mirror extent, but as of now I will use this only. So what is the height thickness of this? 10 mm,
10.
right? So go to this and click on 10 mm. See?
Mm.
Now we need to create this fork type feature, right? So that is on this face, right?
Yes, sir.
So select this, go to position sketch. I need to position like this again. Okay. See, go to swap, reverse view. Now, okay. Now, what you have to do? So I will go to profile. So create it first. Hey, not there. Or else, if you want to create in a easy way, so here select the normal rectangle. You just create only this line. Getting? So you can create by your own way, not only what I am showing you. So this is coincide with this, right? Go to this, select this line and this line, right click, coincidence. Again, we need to make symmetry, right? This, right click, allow symmetry, center axis. Now we have got it, right? What is the distance of this? 125 minus
125.
50. So select this, double click on this, 125 minus 50. See? Next, what is the thickness of this? 12 mm. Select this, click on this, 12 mm. Okay. So this is how you can create. All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
And
again, if you want to create this here itself, you can create, or else you just create a feature and create it later. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So what I will do, I'll select this, keep it in isometric mode. See here, go to pad. So here I have not added any body because no need to perform any boolean operation here. That's why I'm not doing it. So select it. What is the height of this?
35.
35 minus 10, that is 25.
25. 25.
See here now. Okay. Again, what I will do, I will select this face, go to this. So I will just position this. Now you can use, sorry. So just create a rough drawing. Got it. Now go to constraint. Say this and this should be what?
Coincidence.
Right click, coincidence. We need to make symmetry, right? Right click, allow symmetry, horizontal axis. Again, we need to make symmetry these two. Select, right click, allow symmetry, you will get it. Next, we need to give thickness of this. What is the thickness of this?
10.
12 only. 10 only there. Okay, 45 minus 25 is
20.
10, 20,
20. That means 10, 10, 10 is 10. Okay, see, once you give symmetry, the same dimension it will take here. Okay. Next, what is the distance of this? 25, right? So you need to check whether it is constrained or not. Not yet constrained. So we need to give this distance also. What is the distance of this?
7.
See here, 50 minus 37.
13.
50 minus 37. See here.
13.
So you just check it. So under constraint, that means here, see this is moving, right? So we need to give from here to here 125. Go to constraint. From here to here, it is 125. So now you can check. This is ISO constraint. All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Once you create it, just give exit workbench. See here where you have got. Go to pad. What is the distance? 25. You just give 25 and give OK. You know. So here I have used 3 steps, right? First I have created this. Second I have created this. Third I have created this. You can create it by using 2 methods. So you can create first this, then you can create entire sketch. If you are too expert in sketch, directly you can create this. You will get. All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? So see, in industries you won't get this isometric drawings. You will get orthographic drawings. So isometric drawings is only to practice the tools. It is used to practice the tools. You never get the isometric drawings in the industries. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, one thing I would like to tell you. So today, actually, we have conducted one campus drive. So not campus drive, off-campus drive. So as I told you, see, have I told you the recruitment details? So as we are conducting the placements, have I told you?
Sir.
Helidna?
Only just information.
Okay. Helidna. So actually today,
sir. Recruitment process ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ sir.
So process I didn't say to you because this is for your seniors. So presently, till now also we have a vacancy for that. Okay. So here actually we have sent the students for production and quality domain. So for the company name is S Springs Manufacturing Company. S Springs Private Limited, that is located in Bangalore. So they have attended 15 students has attended that interview. But unfortunately, by luck, the company people was asking about the design. Actually, we thought that company requirement is only for production and quality. So at the time of interview, they were having a requirement for design also. But no one students has learned design software. So simply the company people asked you if you know any CAD software, that is industrial CAD software, then we can hire you for the design position. Design position is one of the beautiful position for mechanical engineers. So out of 15, 14, nobody knows about the CAD software. They have the company people, they have hired them into this production and quality. So only one candidate has entered into design. because he knows Catia and SolidWorks. That's why it is very important to learn industrial CAD software. Okay. So usually we do online training for this CAD
Yes.
software. So
Yes, sir.
and we will give placement supports also. So see, these things will happen. Once you complete your graduation, you will get n number of opportunities if you learn, if you develop your technical skills. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So all of you got enough. So you need to learn. You should have a
Yes, sir.
passion to design. Then only you can learn these kinds of CAD softwares. Forcefully, you can't learn. You just keep in your mind. So this is very important. If you learn
Yes.
the CAD software passionately, then only you can learn. Then only you can become expertise in this. Okay. So whatever the training I'm giving you
Okay.
in the internship program, so I can't give entire training of Catia in this internship program. Otherwise, the time takes for this only. So after completion of this, see, I have told you the 6 workbenches, right, in Catia. So I am explaining you only 2 workbenches.
Yes,
If
sir.
I explain you all the workbenches, it will take 1.5 months. Okay. If you want to learn advanced level of the Catia, you have to take separate training for that. So as of now, you just concentrate on your this internship program. Okay. So all of you have done with introduction and literature part, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Many of you
Yes,
have
sir.
added this analysis part also in the literature survey and introduction. Don't add that. Don't add analysis part
Yes.
or any calculation part. So all
Okay.
of you have got the drawing with respect to your project. Have you got the drawings?
Sir.
Drawing. As I have told you, you need to get some of the parameters in the literature survey. One is the drawing, second is material property, third is loading conditions and boundary conditions, and type of analysis. You need to get those things in that. Then only we
Okay.
can define the problem. Okay, try to get those and share with the WhatsApp group, respective project WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, you just practice. I will share the CAD model, these isometric models into your groups. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you just practice it. So from tomorrow, I'm planning to take. Actually, I was planning to take morning only because, but some all of you have already started the colleges, right? Online
Yes, sir.
classes they are going to conduct
Yes, sir.
September.
From tomorrow,
from tomorrow, right? So
our
shall I
college
take? So
conducted.
regularly,
Yes,
shall I
sir.
take from 7 in the evening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can take.
Okay, then I will take from 7 o'clock itself, evening. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And also one more thing, I want to make some announcement. So as I think I have shared with your group that we are next in the next batch we are conducting online internship
3D.
program on 3D printing. That is additive
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
manufacturing
Yes,
and
sir.
3D printing technology. So you can
3D
share,
printing.
yeah, you can share those details with your.
Today onwards.
So can you just switch on your
Today
videos?
onwards.
Salim,
Yes.
Shankar. So we
Yes,
are
sir.
going to start from the next week, from next Monday. We are going to start online internship program on additive manufacturing and 3D printing technology. You just share those information with your friends so that if anybody interested, they can start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall I end off the session?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.